Hi, my name is Mrs. Moeller, and I will be teaching your son or daughter Calculus AB this year. This is my third year here at CCA. I have two children that are here with me also. One is in the ninth grade and the other is in the seventh grade. They are both boys, so I love boys. I love girls too, but I really understand boys. Um, I was raised in a Christian family. Both my parents are Christians. I had the privilege of going to a school similar to CCA where the church and school are associated. Was there all K through 12th. I was saved as a young child and baptized, and I loved going to church. We would go to church whenever the doors were open, Wednesday night, Sunday morning, Sunday night. It was a safe place to be. Had so many friends there, so I am thrilled that your son or daughter is in the same circumstances I was, and they have the privilege of coming to such an amazing school as CCA and hopefully attending a church either at Calvary or another church similar to Calvary. So Calculus AB is so much fun. I will be here for your children when they cry, when they get excited. It will be a growing experience. There's so much to enjoy in this class, and it's a class that puts algebra and geometry and they all collide, and you get to use all these maths that you've learned 9th through 12th finally, and it puts them all together and it makes sense, and we discuss where things come from. We prove a lot of things. I was just able to prove the quadratic formula for some of them the other day, and they thought that was pretty awesome. But it is a great class, and your children are amazing. I am thrilled to spend time with them this year. They each have gotten a book. It's a big book, like similar to this one, and it got sent home. They do not have to bring it back and forth, as I have extras here in the classroom, which is good because it's heavy. On Haiku, I posted many videos. It's actually from the teacher who used to teach Calc AB, Miss Darby, and you should probably hear her voice at night. They watch the videos at home, and it gives them an introduction to each lesson, and then they have homework either in the textbook or on a worksheet that they do every day that will be due the next day. I do check homework for completeness, which is different from some of them. They're not used to that, so I collect it, figure if they take the time to do it, I want to make sure I look at it and see what they're thinking, and either correct it or say good job well done. There will be many tests, many quizzes. I like, right now we're given weekly quizzes just so I can get the kids thinking quickly on their feet. As you know, we're all gearing up for the AP exam, which will be in May. That's the whole reason the kids are in this class, is to get college credit, and that means they're going to need a 3 or above. So that is a timed test. It's a long test, so they need to learn to have a little bit of duration, be able to sit still, to think for long periods of time, but also to think quickly and to make good decisions. And those are all the things that they're going to learn this year. We're going to derive, we're going to integrate, we're going to have so much fun, and we're going to eat lots of brownies as we learn calculus. So I'm just so excited they're here. We're having a great time. Just be there to encourage them, to love on them when they get discouraged, because it's a difficult concept, and they're big concepts, and just because they don't get them right away doesn't mean they'll never get them. They might just have to think about them for a little bit longer, and just be there to support them, as will I. I have helps every Tuesday afternoon in my classroom from 3 to 4, but if they need more than that, they can always contact me. I'm usually here. Both of my boys play soccer, so I tend to be stuck in my room until 5 o'clock getting lots of work done. So if they need to stop in for a quick question or send me an email, that's always fine. I'm just so excited for them. I pray that they will have success with the course, that they will finish, and they will finish as strong as they have started, and learn to love math as much as I do. So on Haiku, they will find each of their units that I've laid out for them. I open the units up, and in the units are videos for them to watch and the textbooks assignments that go with them. There's also a little bio about myself and how to contact me if you need to do so. Email is the best way to get a hold of me. You'll usually get a quick response. If you can't email me or want to talk to me on the phone, that's fine. You can always call the phones here. You can't access me right away because usually I'm in class, but leave a message, and then I will contact you when I'm not teaching or after school at some point when I have a moment. But thank you so much for entrusting your children to me, and I am looking forward to a great year with them.